I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Facebook app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to this is until you're looking for Facebook app, or just click on search. So then here at Facebook app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here, click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for Facebook, so just search for it here. You search here for Facebook here. It's not light. Normal Facebook, it's going to show for you like this. You click on it, then here you click on update, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.